Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV in Belton, Missouri. Today we're going to explore a brand new 2023 Newmar Essex 4551. Newmar went through and redesigned the Essex for the 2023 model year. As we go through the coach, we'll look at a bunch of different things: brand new tufted furniture, some great new floor plans, and just really gave it an upfit and a fresh look. We're going to start up front with the cab today. Go through, we've got dual 10-inch monitors, our HWH leveling system, comfort drive, Kurt Spectrum, braking. Newmar's again brought in the chairs up front with the tufting, the diamond plated, our diamond look, massaging chairs, extra wide, passenger's chair. This unit is outfitted with theater seats across from the trifold sofa. We've got the movable table on the U-shaped dinette. Great storage in between your theater seating. Tons of room down there. And then this year seems to me like they've redone their theater seats, made them a little taller, a little bit more comfortable, much more in line, I think, with their King Air. So really a great look. Across from your 50-inch TV. Now this coach that we're looking at has the Algonquin decor with Westminster graphics, and then the Sedona glazed maple cabinetry, ultra high gloss. We've got our pull-out countertop, with our induction cooktop. Nice Bosch induction cooktop, Bosch appliances throughout this coach. Your Fisher Paykel dishwasher, double sink, this unit was ordered with the kitchen window. Huge Bosch refrigerator with a pull-out freezer in the bottom. Ice in the door. Pull-out pantry with the locking system in them, so that when the ignition's on, this bar locks down. Make sure that your supplies don't fall out. And then they've added some extra storage down here for cutting boards or larger equipment. They continue to innovate and redo the space that they have. Here's our midship half bath. We've got we have the central vac system in here. In our bedroom, king bed, charging stations in the nightstands. Got a nice big window back here, plenty of room to set things out. Still lots of cabinets and drawers. And then one of the cool new things that has really come in with Newmar this year is that you have the lithium battery systems. So you have 2 lithium batteries in the basement that now allow you, when you come in, they draw down, but they have all the power at all times. Wherever you're staying at, when you go, you can do active camping, outdoor unplugged, outdoor plugged in, indoor plugged in, indoor unplugged in, and you can just come up and hit that button. It's automatically going to put your coach in the right settings to make sure that you're using it at the best capability. Again, you've got floor heat throughout this coach. You can check your climate from this, your camera, shades, lights, vents. The lithium system seems to work really, really well with the Silverleaf system, and has really made these high-end Newmars much more, I feel like, user-friendly, and give you the opportunity to not really run out of battery. I mean, those lithiums, they can't go dead or else you ruin the battery, but they've got warnings in place to make sure that they completely shut off. One day we were out here checking the lot, and it actually gotten too cold. We didn't have the Oasis on, and the batteries were just shut off. They were still at 98%, but they had gotten too cold, shut off. We came in, were able to restart them, get some heat going, make sure that the batteries are staying for full use, and that you're not hurting the coach. So some great new features, and the lithium, I think, is going to be a big upgrade in all these coaches. Now we're in the rear bath of the 4551. We've got the huge shower, double vanity, and then our really large rear closet. Newmar's top selling floor plan. The style of the shower in these coaches is always getting redone. This is a great look. We've got our washer and dryer in our cabinet. And then, you know, another unique thing about this is with the U-shaped dinette with the table that moves in and out. I feel like gives you can also manually move the tabletop in and out, but then it also goes in and out off of the keypad and then up and down. But it gives you multiple seating areas. A great coach, a great livable open floor plan. So if you have any additional questions about this coach, would like to schedule a personal FaceTime walkthrough or over Google Meets, just let us know. I can go through all of the options with you. I know we kind of glossed over it. We just want to give you a great opportunity to see the coach in kind of a short frame. But if you are truly interested in this coach, feel free to give me a call, 816-446-9799. Again, 816-446-9799. I'd be happy to help you out with any additional questions you have, or if you'd like to move forward on this coach, just let us know how we can be of assistance to you.